Alright guys, let's get started. It's about 9:25. So yesterday we got this huge market sell-off, and then pre-market today we're getting a nice little run upwards back to kind of the previous resistance here at 418. I think we might get a bounce off of 418 and then a downturn for the rest of the day. Been really weak, the market over the past couple days here. We see it in this upward wedge and then breaking down. So I think we're going to move up to here, get rejected from this line, and come back down today. So let's see if that happens. Otherwise, so far this morning, it's looking pretty strong. The only reason why I say that is we are approaching areas of resistance. Kind of same thing for the TQs. Massive sell-off yesterday, breaking out of this ascending support. Nice gap up this morning. We are about to hit a resistance here at 103, 104. Be ready for that. I'm not going to be making a move into the markets until I know what is going on here. Itty bitty. Little bit of an uptrend here. Resistance around 56.3. Right now we are at 55.88. 10-year treasury back on the rise. It's going to help the recovery of the TQs. Well, this here helped the recovery of the TQs, and now this is going against the TQs, right? So rising interest rates slows down the growth. So everything right now should be getting a little bit of a gap up this morning. We see Tesla pushing 680. Yesterday we closed at 75, so nice little push there. QS up as well. Square slightly up. We were pushing 250 the other day. Chipotle back in the 23s. We got Game at 62. We got Rep. They do have financials later today. So let's see what happens. Game, 750,000 shares were available to borrow earlier this morning, and then it went to 0. Now it's back up to 200,000. So be careful for a short attack today on Game. Once again, ETF shares available to short, 3.6 million. Left over, only 35,000. Got a bunch of calls in Game today. I'm going to be monitoring these very closely. They expire on Friday. Also, a lot of new regulations came out. NSCC 801 came out yesterday, active, allowing margin calls to be available. That is actually partnered with NSCC 802. So when 802 gets approved, hopefully by this Friday, the noose is just tightening around the hedges, which is partly why they've been selling off positions, just to kind of raise that collateral. And they also increase collateral requirements for mortgage-backed securities. Anything under AA can no longer be used as collateral. Crazy. Alright, market about to open in about 10 seconds. Hey, babe, want some milk? Here comes the short attack in GameStop. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, taking it for you. Okay, okay. So we got a tweezer top right here in game. Be careful, guys. We might get a quick reversal. Everything coming down this morning so far. Okay. TQ's running. You don't want that? That's pretty good, though. Is you having breakfast, okay? Yeah, you have breakfast. Hey, buddy. Square is pushing up. Everything else is coming down. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, rec moving up. We got SPY coming down. We got TQs pushing up. Game holding this 160 level of support here. Ooh, game trying to push. Still 200,000 shares available to be shorted on game. Watching it on the 1 minute here, holding the VWAP. Just waiting to take a position. Looks like game might be coming down today. Let's see what the rest of the market is doing. TQs. SPY. Oh, we got wrecked. Nice push. This is what we saw early yesterday morning as well. Big push and then a dump. Uh-oh. Seems to be consolidating here, but it's curving off the top, so I'm going to wait before I take a position. So we're forming a flat top here, and we're using the VWAP as a support right now. Ooh, there's that sell-off on Rect. Same thing as yesterday. SPY coming down. TQs a bit stronger. so I'm gonna try and take. Actually, I'm just gonna sit. I'm gonna wait for now. SPY bouncing, TQ's bouncing. The game is trying to consolidate at these levels here. Unable to do so far. Square down, Chipotle down. Game looks like it's coming down. I think game is coming down today, at least for this early morning. I'm gonna pick up a put. Let's see here what happens at the bounce. Okay, we have multiple tailing wicks off the bottom, so there's a lot of buying pressure down there. On the 1 minute, it's now using this blue and the yellow as a resistance. If we get rejected off the blue and yellow, I'm going to buy a put right here. Just waiting for this 1 minute candle. We have 30 seconds left. Five seconds left on this 1 minute candle. If we close below the yellow, I'm taking a put. Alright, so I just took a put here. 160 put. And then if we break above the blue and yellow, I'm getting out. Five minute. This is the 1 minute here. Hey, you want some pancake? Mm-hmm. What? You want some pancake? Yeah, have a pancake. Yep. And then we also have some. Yeah, you want this one? That's cute. Bye-bye. We continue to bounce off this yellow line here. I'll take this apart. Yeah. We break below this line here. I'll add to my puts. This yellow and this orange need to break. Do you want some strawberry? Okay. If you want to eat something, you let Daddy know, okay? Still 200 shares available for shorting. So yesterday we were waiting the entire day. They had 750 shares available for shorting. They left them there the entire day. Today, down to 200,000 shares available for shorts. TQs, if we break this candle here, I'm going to take a short on the TQs, buy a put, and ready to buy a put on the TQs. Friday, where are we at now? 101. So I'm taking a put here on the TQs. We're going to reject it off the blue. So if we break above the blue, I'll get out. If we break below this red candle here, I'll add. Test a nice bounce off the orange here. Oh, gotta get out of my game puts. Breaking above. Just getting out pretty much break even. Got out of my TQ puts as well. No clear direction so far in the markets. I'm going to sit. I'm going to wait again. Bitcoin looks like it wants to push. Wreck, early morning pump, and then decrease the sell-off. Right, that's the same thing that happened oh, why am I on the 1 minute? That's the same thing that happened yesterday. Yesterday morning we had a pump and then a sell-off. So today we're getting that pump and we're getting that sell-off again. TQs look like it wants to run. So I'm going to take some calls on the TQs. Ooh. My brokerage is laggy, super laggy. So no positions yet, just trying to load my brokerage here. Oh, game looks like it's trying to run. Taking a call in game, 170 strike for Friday. Oh, hi, buddy. I like that gap up between the two candles there. That's crazy. Shows a massive lack of liquidity. Come on. Okay, come back. So game unable to break that early morning high there. If we come back down to here, I'm going to add to my calls. There we go. I'm going to add. Where's my call? So I got a 170 strike and a 172.50 strike. Picking up some calls for this Friday. Don't be sitting like that, buddy. I'm going to hold as long as we stay above the blue and yellow, the VWAP and the EMA there. Right? Pump, consolidation, pump. That's what we saw yesterday. Pump, consolidation, pump, consolidation, pump, consolidation, pump. And then just consolidation for the rest of the day. Let's see if we see that this morning. We are on the 1 minute. Looking out to the 5. So we got tailing wicks off the bottom, tailing wicks off the top. We're just consolidating here along the blue. Tesla making a nice move here, pre-market pivot. Anybody want some milk? No? Yeah, milk? Okay, that'll get for you. Let's get on the ground. Here we go. We'll get you some milk. There you go. So game is just hanging out around 162. 161.90 is the VWAP. Done?
Done.
Done. Okay, good job.
Done.
Do you want any? Okay. You want this? To eat? Yeah, have some. Mama peeled it for you. And diabetes? Try it, okay? It's sweet and soft. Tasty? You like it? Diabetes some more? No? You want to try one more? No? Okay. One more? Okay. No? Diabetes. Want some pancakes? You want pancake? No? Yeah, pancake? You feed yourself? No? Okay. Okay, no pancake. What do you want? Yeah, this guy? You want more of what? No more milk? More milk? No? More milk? You want strawberries? So the game is just hanging out here. Everything looks like it's consolidating right now. All of the indexes, TQs. SQ kind of consolidating here right under the resistance. We got Tesla, we had a nice pump, got rejected here at the pre-market pivot point. I mean, game looks like it wants to run. Just waiting for the markets. Ooh, look at this rejection here right off the blue and yellow. Looks like SPY is going to come down for the rest of the day. Higher high, lower high. TQ is also falling here. If SPY breaks this orange line, it's time to take a put. Add to your puts if we break this orange line, and then add again if we break this orange line.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, we can play basketball later, buddy. Yeah, you don't play by yourself now? Yeah, Daddy just gotta work for a little bit. There we go, there's your sign to take a put, right? On the SPY, we just broke this orange line. Yeah, you don't go find your ball. I think it's in your playroom, in your bedroom. Papa. Yeah. Papa. Who's that? Is that you? Is that you, Cartier? Whoop. Yeah, we got a game moving up a bit. We got the SPY coming down. It's trying to hold that orange line. I don't know if it can. It looks like it wants to break that orange line on the SPY. So game just continuing to consolidate along the blue and yellow. We got the SPY breaking down. So I'm going to hold my calls as long as we stay above this level here, which is our green candle. Nope. You want a pancake? Yeah, pancake. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. What else do you want? You want kiwi? You? Did I feed you? No? You want to get some strawberries? You don't want any of this? Let's go get strawberries. I'll get you some strawberries. Come, let's go. Go to the fridge, get some strawberries. You want to eat something? Okay, let's go get strawberries. Right? Yeah, strawberries. Let's go get some food. Go to the fridge. Go to the kitchen. You didn't want it. I tried feeding you like 3-4 times. And if you don't want a pancake, you get nothing else on it today. So we see consolidation here, these red dots just forming the squeeze on the 5-minute. Rec coming down, Chipotle coming down after the spike, Square coming down after the spike, QS, Tesla, Bam Bam, Bam Bam, Bam Bam. What do you want? What do you want? You want this book? You want to read a book? This book? You want to read? Let's not go inside. Here. We'll take some strawberries, right? Have some strawberries while we read. So get ready to add to your SPY puts here, guys. Getting ready to get out of my calls here on game. Yeah. Look. Guys, you get a note. There's a birdie there. Yeah, there's a birdie up there too. So I'm getting ready to add to my SPY puts. Yeah, take a touch, buddy. SPY getting a little bit of a bounce here. Mm-hmm. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that's amazing. Got it. He's coming out. Yeah, he's climbing up. Whoa. Yeah, from here. It came up from here. So if SPY breaks 416, it's going to be really bearish because that is where the pre-market pivot is, right? This is the low of the pre-market, 416. Right now we're at 416.04. Ooh, got bats. Yeah, he got into the kitchen secret passage. Happy birthday! Yay! Do it again. Okay. That's right, there's a bird. There's a bird there too. There's butterflies. A bat. Bat. That's right. Okay. That's right. Ooh, look at that drop on the SPY. So as long as the SPY is below that orange line, I'm gonna hold. Looks like it's a massive sell-off though. Already 50% up on my puts. Crazy. I'm gonna sell some here, just take some profit. And look at some pictures. Yeah, fish, that's right. Yeah, you're running in the garden. Ooh, 75% up on those puts. Yeah, he's climbing out of the hole, that's right, buddy. Yeah, he's climbing. Sit down. I'm just holding the last amount of my puts here, just letting it ride. Yeah. Pretty. Yeah, the mouse. Yeah, yeah. These are butterflies. Yeah, butterflies. Yeah, the oh, butterfly. That's right, buddy. Yeah, that's right, fishies. That's right, you see me in the water, you go. Let's see, we hold this 150 mark here. I'm going to wait for game to come all the way down to 152, 153 before I take a position to go long. Actually, just because we bounced off there yesterday, and we do have the yellow line right there today as well, right? So right here, 152, 151, this area here, this yellow line is going to be a support structure for us. Yeah, got the notes. Happy birthday. Yeah, bye bye bye. Yeah. Let's see if we get a bounce here on the SPY. We need to break that orange line. And break above this area here. If we do that, I'll exit the rest of my puts. Otherwise, still gonna hold. Yeah, it's ripped. Still very healthy. My puts are up 41% for the morning. Yeah, it's pretty hot. That's right. That raccoon. Yeah, that's a flamingo. Flamingo. Yeah, flamingo. Just how fish makes. Getting rid of my puts here. Yeah. Yeah, he's climbing out of the hole. Papa. So all out of my puts as we broke that orange line. Higher lows for the last 3 candles, and then higher highs for the last 2 candles. Let's see, buddy. Yeah. I'm just gonna wait for another clear opportunity. Haunted Mansion. What else do you want, buddy? I'll take your book with you. Your favorite book is in Mama's bedroom. One. TQ's finding a base here as well. Spy finding a base here. Multiple tailing wicks off the top. We also have tailing wicks off the bottom. We also have tailing wicks off the top. You done? Done. Okay. Okay, impossible reversal here. Lower low, higher low. I'm waiting for 2 minutes on this candle here. Tesla. Team is looking pretty good here. I'm going to buy one call at this level. I'm going to try and buy it as in the money as I can. Try and buy 170 call strike. That's $7.10. Let's see if I can get it. Putting in a little bit of a stink bid. Bop, bop. Ba-bang. Spy getting rejected here.
Dial 911 for the ambulance.
Might be. I'm going to take a spy put here. If we break above, I'll get out. If not, I'll stay in. Let's see what I can get. 415, 416. It's got a spy put. So holding these spy puts, if we break above the orange line again, I'll get out. Otherwise, right now we're getting rejected. looks like game is trying to break above here.
The airport is a safe place to land.
Still have my stink bid in here, 725, trying to pick up that call.
I'm Alex, the pilot of this airplane. Welcome aboard.
Try and buy for a 160 call strike here. If I can get it for 580. Oh, there we go, just got it. So I'm going to hold this call. If we break below this orange line, I'll get out. So the market, unsure where it wants to go. The game looks like it's a little bit grinding up here. Higher highs on each one of these candles, higher lows on each one of these candles. The SPY looks like it wants to break above here, so I'll be getting ready to get out of my put. Ooh, nice little bounce on game. There we go. This candle holding and closing below this orange line. Almost got out of my put here. Looked like it was about to break above, but then didn't. Tweezer bottom on the SPY. Possible sign of reversal. But once again, we still need to break this orange line here. GameStop, if we get rejected off of the blue and yellow, I'll be getting out, taking my profit here. Otherwise, I'm going to hold if we just consolidate at this area, and then hopefully we break through. SPY unable to reverse. Game looking like it wants to break. SPY puts looking good right now. Ooh, SPY, new low of the day. So again, we're getting rejected off that top. So I'm selling my calls there. SPY breaking below this level. I'm going to add one call here. I mean one put. We fill this gap here, and now we're breaking. We just broke below this level here of 415. Our next level on the SPY would be down here, 414.28, and then 413.50. SPY right now just flirting with the 415 level. We just broke below it. We went all the way to 414.93. So we break above these tailing wicks here. I'm getting out of my puts. That should be our next level of support and resistance there. Getting ready to get out of my puts. Getting out. I'm going to try again on GameStop here. Tesla coming down. Oh, I'm actually going to take TQQs, puts. Getting rejection here from the orange line. It's at 100. So what I'm looking for on the TQs is a bounce off this level at the blue and a rejection back down here. Let's see if we get that. So basically I'm taking a put, but I'm waiting for the TQs to get as close to this blue line as possible, and then I'll buy it. If it breaks above, I will get out, but I'm expecting a rejection off the blue and then a lower low. Actually, I don't know what GameStop is doing. It looks like it wants to move towards the upside. And then we got a sell off as we get to the blue. So when in doubt, zoom out. So let's see. So we do have this lower trend line here forming on game. Waiting for the bounce on the TQs, and then I'm going to take a put right at the blue line. Getting ready to take put. I'm going to take a put right here. And then if we break above the blue line, I'll just get out. Oh, I might need to get out right now. So we're getting a rejection here from the blue. This is what I wanted to see. Well, 4 seconds left on this candle. Everybody go put on your socks. Looks like we're gonna break above the blue, so I just got out there. Alright guys, so the time now is 10:30. Let me let you know what I'm looking for the rest of the day. If we break above this blue, we should be heading up probably to 102, 103 on the SPY. We might head all the way back up to here, 417, if we can break above this level here. On game, I'm just going to watch it, not going to take any positions. A whole bunch of regulations just came out that should be helping out the game situation, but it might take time for them to start enforcing these regulations here. Are y'all done? Put the lid on? No? You want to eat? Yeah, eat it, buddy. Yeah, that's pretty much it for me today, guys. So this is Mitch from Dumb Money Day Trading signing off for now. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys learned a lot, and I hope you guys made some money. I'll see you guys tomorrow around 9:15, 9:20 as we do every trading day. Take care, guys. Bye for now. Yeah, bye-bye, guys.